Mito patamilo milata katiki puletica, c'est pas la joie des mitocalana moule macarena. Paoletus pabo patimele, c'est pas macagusta, mamie les belles, mais la moustache et la picamucha.
Drying is defined as the application of heat under controlled conditions to remove the water present in foods by evaporation to yield solid products. Microorganisms, which cause food spoilage and decay, and many of the enzymes, which promote undesired changes in the chemical composition of the food, are unable to grow, multiply, or function in the absence of sufficient water. Dryers provide a variety of uses in the food industry. Dryers can be used to prevent food spoilage by removing water from both the processing and preparation of food products. They provide clean and dry air that can help extend product life, or they can assist in the packaging, transporting, and storing of food products. Several types of dryers are available in the market, including vacuum tray dryer, freeze dryer, rotary drum dryer, spray dryer, and the last one, pneumatic conveyor dryer. To make it easy, let's go through the dryer one by one. Let us start by vacuum tray dryer. Tray dryers are designed for food, pharmaceutical, cosmetic, and other industries. It is used to dry food materials, powder, and chemicals. Tray dryers are available in different sizes according to requirement. Fresh air is inserted from one side and heater air is inserted from the other side of tray dryer. Both air then recirculated into chamber of tray dryer between trays. So, the material at the top and the bottom dry simultaneously. These are examples of food that were processed by using tray dryer. In freeze drying, fresh or cooked foods are flash frozen. Then it will be placed in a vacuum chamber. About 90% of the food moisture is drawn off by evaporating the ice at temperatures as low as -50 degrees Celsius. The freeze-dried food is sealed in moisture and oxygen-proof packaging to ensure freshness until open. When the water is replaced, the food regains its original fresh flavor, aroma, texture, and appearance. This picture is the example of freeze dryer that is used in food industry. Do you know that the freeze drying process was first applied to food product after the Second World War? Coffee was first dried food product to be produced, but now vegetable, fruit, meats all can be freeze dried.
Rotary drum dryer. The rotary dryer, also known as tumbling dryer, can minimize the moisture content of a feed material by direct contact with a heated gas. It consists of an inclined long drum or cylindrical shell, often fitted with internal flights. Flights are fin-like structures in the interior of the rotating cylinder. It is used to help increase efficiency of heat transfer between the material and the gas stream. Flight structures scoop up material from the bed and shower it through the gas stream as the drum rotates. Angled type flight is the most efficient type of flight as it can increase the time of material to dry due to its surface area. Rotary dryers are less sensitive to particle size. It is also very economical. However, rotary dryers are bulky, but it has small inlet volume. It cannot dry sludge, wet waste, fine grains, or any similar items. Rotary drum dryer can be used to process food such as grains, beans, and herbs. Spray dryer. The starting material of spray dryer has to be liquid so that it can be atomized through a nozzle. A nozzle is usually used to make the droplets as small as possible. The droplets of liquid are sprayed into a heated chamber and fall into a stream of hot gas. Dried particles gather at the bottom of the spray dryer and ready for the next process. Spray dryer can evenly and thoroughly dry particles. Spray dryer produces dry powder particle of controllable particle size, shape, form, moisture content, and other specific properties. However, spray dryer is bulky and also expensive to install. Solid materials cannot be dried using spray dryers. Spray dryers are used in the process of making milk, coffee, and tea.
How does flash dryer works? So let's go to the principle of flash dryer. Flash drying works on the principle of pneumatic transport using hot air. Wet product is introduced into a high-velocity airstream through a special venturi feeder. Highly turbulent airflow generates an intense gas-solid thermal exchange, and this aggregates the product. These allow a rapid evaporation in a few seconds residence time. Rapid drying process avoid overheating of product, allowing the use of high temperature drying gases. At dryer outlet, dried product is recovered by means of a gas-solid separator, for example by using cyclone or bag filter. Partial recycling of dried product in wet material can be considered in case of sticky products.